So today's video is going to be more of a vlog style video just because I'm kind of chilling at my house doing little worky things and don't really want to get out my big camera and all that jazz. Well, anyway, if you've been here for a while, you'll know that I'm obsessed with thrift stores. I love them. Like 85% of my clothes come from thrift stores. It's a problem, okay? It's a problem. Well, recently I've been obsessed with ThreadUp. It's this website that's an online thrift store. If you send in your clothes, you get a percentage of whatever they sell for on the website, and you can use that to buy new clothes. What? Shoot, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Like, yeah. So I put my name in, and they sent me one of the little bags. It comes with this ginormous, let me just show you, freaking-normous this giant bag, and this little bitty card that tells you all about it. What? So that is what we are going to be doing today. That's right. I said we, me and you. You're going to clean out your closet too because it's more fun when we do it together. Yeah. So now I'm going to show you my itty bitty closet. Also, can you see this giant mound of clothes over here that literally will not fit in my closet? It is a problem. Here is the giant mound of clothes and my yoo-hoo that need to fit into this itty bitty teeny weeny closet. Let me just show you the back of the door. Look how little the door is, you guys. This is no joke. I have the smallest closet in the world. Right here, this silver thing is an air conditioning unit. So yeah, there's that. Okay, this side I keep all my dresses and things. Then right here is where I have an extra bar so I can hang these clothes. In the middle I have t-shirts. There's like normal shorts right there. These are Nike shorts. Jeans go here and sweatpants go down here. And then right here I keep all my sweaters. And then just normal clothes right here, like just plain shirts. See, look at that. I just pulled that off the hanger. This is a disaster. And my shoes go right here. So when I say that this is the smallest closet in the world, it is legitimately the smallest closet in the world. So I don't know about you guys, but when I clean out my closet, the very first thing I do is turn on some music because it makes it so much more fun. So that is tip number 1, is to turn on some music. Okay, so tip number peace sign, or number 2, take everything out of your closet and make 3 separate piles. The first pile is things you know you want to keep. The second pile is things you know you don't want to keep. And the third thing, the third pile is maybe. So get to it. Run.
You gon' be my lover, honey. I don't need another one, can you? Come a little closer someday. We'll sleep until the covers just like that. It's game time.
This is what it looks like now that all these clothes are out. This is the middle thing that you literally cannot see at all. Probably gonna get rid of those pants. Yep, this is what it looks like. Here's that air conditioning unit. Okay, so now that I have all my clothes out, the next rule is when you're putting them back in, make sure you actually want them. Don't put clothes back in your closet that you don't want, okay? I got my stack of clothes that I'm getting rid of right there. Some of it's pretty cute. Kind of sad to see it go, but I know I'm not going to wear it. So I'm getting rid of it, home dogs. It's got to go. It's leaving.
It's game time. I'm like a do. I'm like a do.
Like, it's still an extremely small closet, but you guys, look how much better it looks. Also, these are my favorite shoes right now. Also, I narrowed down my t-shirts to just these. Like, be proud. This is everything that I'm getting rid of. I put these shoes up here because I'm never wearing them. So I got this side completely cleared off. And just look how much cuter my closet looks. It looks so much better. I'm so happy about it. Now, I'm going to put all of these clothes in the ThreadUp bag. When you get everything down in there that you're gonna send, I think you peel this strip off right here. It goes all the way across, and then you just fold it down and stick it on there. Well, guys, that is it. That is everything that I cleaned out of my closet, and I'm sending to ThreadUp. I mean, look at this massive bag that I got going on. It's so cute. Like, the bag itself is just so cute. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you maybe learned some tips to clean out your closet. I do this all the time because I literally have so many clothes. It's ridiculous, but no shame whatsoever. Clean out your closet as many times as you need to, girl. As many times. And I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye! Okay, guys, so I was a little curious about the ThreadUp package because it says to leave it outside for UPS, but like I live in a subdivision and you can't really do that. I just took it to the post office and it was completely free, so do not worry about that if you were wondering or thinking about getting a ThreadUp bag. Like, it's completely free.